Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we are doing today is, other than me being a total airhead and having no clue, I do know that I want to do a gold eyeshadow. Okay, let's get started. Gold, yes, gold. I want to do a gold, but I have a plethora of ideas for the gold. Here's one of them. Here's another one of them. And another one of them. Oh, there's another. Here's a pile of others. Tom Ford has an amazing gold. Let's start swatching before I get too crazy in this video. Photosynthesis has a beautiful gold. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay. C3PO. C3PO has three, and that does not include the lightest one. Yeah. This old patmcgrathlabs palette that I refuse to let go of. Yeah, that one's a little dark. We've eliminated, all right, now this Jouer Skinny Dip, maybe not. This might be a little grungy. Yeah, it's more green than gold. I want you to get a better look. And then Boudoir Noir, which I just used, and hopefully, actually no, this video will probably go up before Boudoir Noir, simply because of Christmas. This is very yellow. It's as yellow as actually no, it's more yellow than this one. Okay, C3PO, go back where you're supposed to go. And I also have to mention that I don't know why I took out cream shadows, because the last two videos I did, which I think I'm going to combine into one, are actually total fails. And here is the big one, not from last year, but the year before, has one. Oh, it's almost the same color. Okay. It's, I would call that more of Baroque gold. Oh yeah, we haven't even swatched. Tom Ford. Oh man. Not a gold. It's antique-y with a hint of pink. Okay, that is gonna stay because I might use it for a liner. I've got my Danessa Myricks. Look at that. Sephora. That's a champagne. Okay. Let's see what Moira does. It looks more pink and it might be dry. Ooh. I think it might be the only one that's not dry. They're 2 years old. Okay, so this one possibly, oh man, that's beautiful. Inner corner. That one's going to be an inner corner for sure. That is not. Now I want to do a liner. I've got this Sephora green. Okay, there we go. And I've got Auric. There we go. I'm saying K a lot. Yeah, K. I'm going to start with the liner because I just can't. Other than Rose doing it that way, that's the only reason I can come up with. Okay. Wish me luck. So, Auric, treat me well. If you're watching this, Cole of the Ball, the liner is because of you. I watched your grunge palette this morning. Look at me. I can't even draw a straight line, and look at the looks you do. They're absolutely fabulous. So everybody go check out Cole of the Ball. I'll try to remember to put her channel in the description box, because that girl has talent coming out of her pores. She stole what talent I was supposed to have, okay? I know I have an odd sense of humor, and I get the feeling it's a sense of humor. Yes, a lot of people have, but I've been watching this gentleman, Minnesota Midwest Cleaning, I think. Anyway, he's autistic, and he has the same type of humor that I do, which is very, very, I'll say dry, but it's almost morbid in its dryness. I think it's an autistic thing. I could be wrong, because I only just found out, but it just seems that way. Okay, I've been procrastinating on doing the hard part, which is the actual line. I'm trying to make it thin, because sticking it into the pot, you get a thick gloop. Why could I do this side better? Maybe because I stopped shaking as much. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there, because if I do more, I'm gonna mess it up big time. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm not touching the underneath because I'm gonna really mess it up. But what I am going to do, other than coat myself some more, Auric's still going strong, is find a spot, Bridget. Alright, I was going to use that brush, but I can't. So I'm going to use this little lippy brush. If this works out, I might have to post it on Instagram and tag Danessa Myricks. And Auric, of course, but Danessa Myricks. Because the other two videos I did that are on this SD card were using liquid shadows, both of them. And because of my creases, they did not. Don't ask me what I'm doing right now. All I know is I'm doing something. How awful does that look? Oh, why not? Why not? Why the hell not? It's my eye. Maybe I should have gone higher with the green, but I didn't. Okay, so that I will. What do you guys think? I'm actually liking that, even though it has some bald spots. This is the problem. You can't keep going over liquid because that's where you get your clumpiness. And see, this is what happened last time. with my lids. It's like folding a duvet as opposed to folding a sheet. Okay, so I said I was going to use this for my inner corner. So that means I'm looking for another spot. Yeah, I think it is dry. I just got lucky on the swatch. The timer went off. So I figured, okay, I'll do a few things. I put a teeny tiny bit of this color under my eye to try and smudge the liner just a smidge, just enough to say I did it. I also tried very hard to put this on my waterline. I need to sharpen it. What else did I do? Okay, the face. The face is looking better than originally because what did I do? If you guys remember this that I got off Amazon, which I thought was supposed to be similar to the Chanel or the Mali, I put it on first. After I put on my essence and then my Milk makeup, which is almost done, and then I put this on after, figuring, okay, it'll take care of the pores. That was fun. And then I put on Merit, okay, with my color correctors, but I put it on, and yeah, let's not even go into the eyebrows, okay? I'm having trouble with eyebrows and finding, I used a different eyebrow pencil today, my e.l.f. to go with my Wow Brow, and I had never had problems with the Wow Brow, but all of a sudden, just like the IT Cosmetics, I'm getting little balls. I get the feeling I'm gonna go back to powder. I did powder for 25 years. It worked. But I don't know if you can tell, but in my pores, especially here, it looks like I put that goop on yeah, and it looks like the foundation is sitting on top of it. It's in the pores and you can see it. It's not sitting on the skin, it's sitting in the pores. From what I can tell, the rest seems okay. It's kind of relaxing right now. Stop it, because your foundation's coming off, Bridget. Yeah, don't do that. don't do what I did. Do not get that. Don't. Okay, my bronzer is my Dior, and I finally used for the first time my berry in Dior Backstage. I was so nervous. I did one swipe, not back and forth swipe, one, and then I went on. Look at it. This is one. This is half a one because it still has it. I almost used the rosewood, but I needed to try the berry, and this is supposed to be a winter technically look because it's for festivities. Okay, now the look is not done. Oh, and I used my bar of gold, and I rarely use the gold one because it's darker, but I did today. Yeah. I'm thinking of trying to put a little bit of this gloss on. Little bit. It's little bit. That was me last night. I was watching videos and writing somebody a message and I can't remember who, and I actually, it might have been coleoftheball. I can't remember. And I said, I will not be held responsible for what I say in this message. I've taken my nighttime pills. It's like I'm drunk. Okay, oh, I managed to get some fairy dust as well. See, I'm only putting a teeny tiny bit because this stuff, it goes for walks. It's like a cat. It wanders. It's like, I'm not staying here. I don't care what you say. And the worst part is right now is we have no water because they're doing roadworks again. Except we got the email at 10 o'clock and they shut it down at 10 o'clock. Wish me luck. I'll be back. I'm back. Okay, so the Stila allowed me to put 1.5 coats on. So, but they're falling. I managed to actually do the curling in 2 different spots, but they're still falling. All right, now I have 3 reds. I think this is a red. Okay, it almost looks pink. So, mini Pat McGrath. Yeah, it's more pink than red. All right, this is Victoria Beckham, which looks even less red than the Pat McGrath. Well, that's messed up. Okay. I didn't want to put my Chanel in the mix. That looks orangey. Okay, this one is not a contender. Not a contender. Thank goodness for this. Oh, I had to clean off the gloss because it was gone. Okay, I'm gonna stop fiddling because I'm gonna really mess it up. But it does not feel like a matte. It feels nice on the lips. But it's not gonna last forever. It's not Chanel. So, as everything is crumbling on my face, as my foundation is coming off because of that stupid piece of crap, I don't even remember if I actually counted it. I hope not, because this crap gone. It's better on top of the foundation than below it. Yeah, I've got duvet lids now instead of sheets. Thank you everybody once again for coming to my video. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.